Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to invest in stocks. See, first of all, you have to keep in your mind that you have to pick business, not a stocks. Because, see, whenever you do business by your own self, you do research and you research every aspect of that business. See, when it comes to stock, why you rely on someone that you have to give tips? I hope you're understanding what I mean by. See, even if you're buying a one share of that company, you're becoming a partner of that business. Think as like that. You're becoming of that partner of that business. Then you have to research every aspect of that business. The second point, invest in only that companies that you understand. Don't invest in that business that you don't understand. For example, for me, I don't invest in banks because I don't understand their business model. It's okay. It's not possible that you understand all the businesses. For me, it's very difficult to understand business of banks. That's why I don't invest in banks. But some of you may be interested in banks, so you can invest in that. So understand which business you understand, and if your understanding of that business is more likely that you get success in that business. If you see successful investors like Warren Buffett, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, they all invested in that business that they understand. They know what to do. They know how to do that business. Point number 3 is that your entry. It matters a lot. I saw many people they invest in stock at the all-time high. So be aware of that. You don't have to invest in that. Just wait for the company or the valuation to come down to be at fair value so that you can invest. I hope you are understanding what I mean by, because whenever you enter at that peak level of the market, it's more likely you are going to bear a loss. And the most important point, that don't invest your all of the capital at one time. See, I have learned new concept is called allocation, capital allocation. What does it mean? It means that whenever you invest, you just invest small amount of that regularly. For example, if a company is at 100, invest 10,000. But whenever companies come down to 90 or 80, then invest 20. What I mean by, whenever the company falls, then you increase your capital allocation. In first, you have invested 10,000. In this, you have investing 20,000. In this way, you need to do your capital invested in the stocks. Because by doing this, your average price will be a low. So you don't have to worry. I hope you enjoyed the video, so subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more related videos.